Hi Jason. We've got Jake's apprentice on the camera.
Shouldn't he have the umbrella?
No, because I'll get wet. Yeah, Jake. Keep the camera dry. I'll put my hood on, Jason, I've got one.
Right, so welcome to our motorhome review in the summer weather.
Yeah. I go away next week, so...
We do?
Zakynthos.
Zakynthos? He's away again?
It's anti, really. So, you can guarantee we'll have heat wave here, because whenever we go abroad...
I hope so, Joe.
Yeah, whenever I go abroad, it's always bloody hot here.
Oh. Anything else been happening?
I bought a GPS speedo for my car, because, you know, you can't see them properly, because they're right set in, and it's bright, the sky. I've got this GPS one.
Right.
And also, I mean, you know, you get your little warning light that tells you when your tyres are... It comes up when your tyres are low or not. So I thought I'll reset that, so I've got a booklet. I pressed all the buttons that I should do.
You're like a little gnome with that hat on.
I pressed all these buttons that I should do, yeah?
Yeah.
I've got rid of my little warning light.
Yeah.
Slight problem.
Go on.
My dashboard's in French. To change the language, I don't know how to change it back.
So you got a French dashboard though?
Yeah, you know your little warning thing where it says how many miles you do into the gallon and all that.
Yeah.
In French.
You speak French?
Yeah. Well, not really, because first time I went to France, yeah,
Right.
I had a bowl of mussels, yeah.
Right. Nice.
Yeah, 2 beers.
Yeah.
And then Missy said, should we have 2 more beers? I said, yes. So I said to the waitress, 2 more beers, please. What she brought me? 2 butters. Because beer is butter in France.
One thing you've learned today, don't buy a what's it called?
Don't ask for beer. No, I did say beer, but it must be my accent. She thought I said butter. So,
I've lost the will. Is it raining?
it's easy to just hold the bottle up and say 2 more of these, please. I don't want to. Yeah, more, please.
You can't stop him once he's started.
Come on, I'm getting there.
Right, can we do a motorhome review?
Yeah. What are we doing?
We're doing this one. It's a Lunar Cassini. What does Cassini stand for?
I don't know what casino stands for.
No, Cassini. It's a Cassini TI.
Could be French. Is it? Or Italian? I don't know. Can you tell me?
Let us know in the comments. I know, but I'm not going to say.
You know, because you were on the computer before.
So let us know in the comments what Cassini means. If you're thinking of buying a motorhome and you do need a bit of funding, our partner's Pegasus Finance. So if you just need a little bit extra if you're buying a motorhome, campervan or anything like that. Are you ready now? Do you want to say anything?
No, all right, carry on. You're doing all the waffling.
I'm doing all the waffling. Shall we do this motorhome now?
Yeah, should we go inside?
Let's go round it quick. Okay. What's that, Kev?
Habitation door. Disable down button. It's actually a security lock as well. And what you do with this is you swing it around there, lock it, and it break it. Or use it as hand for getting into it. I'll leave that. Go on. Fridge.
Hey?
Oh, look at that. It looks cocked out, doesn't it? Because the graphics.
The graphics. Yeah.
Yeah, that's bad, isn't it?
Well, what are we going to do? Put it on at an angle?
A jaunty angle.
The jaunty angle. Hatch.
Extra security lock on there.
I'll tell you what, where's he gone? We've lost someone.
He got stuck with his umbrella. What are you doing, Mary Poppins?
Mary Poppins!
Mary Poppins,
I do like the lights.
Yeah.
Nice there, aren't they? Reversing camera, tow bar, gas.
Is that toilet?
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Awning's having a week.
Yeah.
And then we've got the hook up, fresh water.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, that's a big awning.
Yeah.
Big old awning.
Well, they've got the awning like the same as they have on the Baileys. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Which is quite good because it acts as a gutter as well, stops the rain coming down onto the habitation building.
Right, do you want to come in? I'm so tired, Kev.
So much. What my jacket is.
That's it, just shake all the water off in the van.
Yeah. Quite a wide cab this, isn't it?
I don't know, do the cab. Go,
Yeah,
do the cab.
You know, it's on a Renault. Did we say it's on a Renault?
Yeah, it's a 130 brake horsepower, 2.3 litre turbo diesel. So, and it's done 11,170 miles. It's a 2019 cab, 4 berth, 4 belted seats, 6-speed manual, 3,800 kilograms in weight with a 506 kilogram payload.
So you need a C1 licence to drive it?
Yeah, the length of the vehicle is 7.68 metres long. So there's all your stats.
And have you noticed how wide the cab seems? I think the seats are narrower. You look at the seats, Jason, don't you? Compared with the Fiat seats. It gives you that much more room to manoeuvre. Right, so we've got media pack.
Oh, Kev, just over there, as you're well aware, is the swimming pool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just there.
Yeah.
It's not open today because it's raining.
Oh, right.
So.
There's a reason for that, though. Do you know that?
Right.
Why you can't go in a swimming pool when it's raining?
Why can't you go in the swimming pool?
Because you can't see if anybody's lying on the bottom, if anybody's drowning. Because of the rain falling on the swimming pool. So it's not stupid after all that you're not allowed in a pool when it's raining.
That's a stupid rule.
It's not. Because a lifeguard can see you when you're in the pool, and if you sink to the bottom or a kid goes down the bottom, you can see through the water because the water's still. But the rain's coming on it, it's like trying to look through frosted glass.
It's only 3 foot deep.
Oh.
7 foot.
It isn't 7 foot, is it?
It is at deep, isn't it?
Okay. Alright.
You can drown in 3 inches of water anyway. Right, another useless fact. Right, so
Drown in 3 inches of water.
if you fell,
Did you have to save you out of a puddle, Kev?
if you trip up, fall, get knocked unconscious, and you're lying with your face in a puddle, you're going to drown, aren't you?
Yeah, okay.
Right, okay.
Thanks, Kev.
Right, see, not that stupid. So we've got your normal controls on your steering wheel, yeah. You've got your cruise control, yeah. That'll be your radio. Here's your radio controls and everything. It's your typical Renault. We've got 6-speed manual. We've got aircon, and we've got your media pack. We've got blinds. Oh, we have one I can open. Blinds across your windscreen. We've got side blinds on the side windows. Yeah. Bear in mind they don't stop condensation, so you still have
aircon, Kev?
Yeah, it's got aircon. Yeah, AC. Yeah. Nice wide cab. Quite like it. Quite like a wide cab, yeah. Nice upholstery as well.
Yeah, look, just look. You shaking your jackets. Look what you've done.
You will have me standing out in the rain. You made me give Jake the umbrella.
Right, so we've got the cab area. 2 belted seats. Yeah, I'm not looking forward to this, Kev. Because by the looks of it...
You've got to make a bed.
Yeah, got to make a bed here, Kev.
That slides over.
And I'll tell you what, look what we found here. What do you think's in that?
Will you tap?
Why is there a tap in here?
I assume that tap's leaking. Has it been frost damage?
Don't know, it's just come in, hasn't it?
Alright.
So it looks like someone's got a job to do. Let's put that on the front.
It's a fridge out job, is that? No, sink out.
Oh, that's not leaking good, Kev. It's going to have to be the sink out on that. That's leaking. Yeah, it's not leaking good there, is it?
Not just a cartridge, no?
Don't know. Might be just the cartridge. It could be just the cartridge. So sometimes when the tap leaks, water comes out here, and it looks like there has been a bit of water coming out.
Yep.
So people think that the tap's knackered, basically. It isn't, because there's a little cartridge inside there, isn't there, Kev?
2 types of cartridge.
There's only one.
There's 2 different types.
Yeah, I know, but there's only one in there.
There's only one in there.
You're confusing people, Kev.
No, so if you strip your tap down, take your cartridge out, take it to somewhere like B&Q, somewhere like that. There is other DIY stores. You can buy the cartridge, about 6 or 7 quid.
Yeah. Okay.
Simple fix.
Yeah. Well, we do the bed, weren't we?
You?
Oh, hang on. I was.
You were.
We've got telly here, Avtech telly, which I think are one of the best tellies you can get.
Excellent after sale service.
Yeah, I believe so. Yeah, they are actually, they're really good. Right, Kev. Oh, for Peter's sake. I wish
I'll observe it.
Yeah, I've got a little helper now, haven't I? Do me best.
Hang on, you want to do that as well. Yeah. Now lift it off. Come on, you had one job.
What do you mean I had one job? How many times have I been making beds up and you've just come in yourself first time? Look, see, you get in the way.
Because I usually all the camera, you see.
Right. Oh, Kev, I'm getting somewhere here. That's coming out. Yeah. You're in the way again, you have to move the table. Look, that's coming out.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, that. Pass me the table over. My eagle eyes. Look. Oh. There you go. One bed.
One bed.
Oh, okay. Just hope you don't want to go out at night.
Yeah, if there's a fire.
Oh, you've got two doors there.
Yeah.
They are accessible there to get out. So, that's a big bed, isn't it?
Must be makeup cushions somewhere.
Yeah. Oh, there you go, Kev. Just done that off me. Oh, what have we got under here while we're at it?
I'd say probably a water tank.
I don't know, I can't get the things off, that's why.
Probably fastened in, are they?
Yeah. Yeah, water tank. If you can just see down there. There's the water tank.
But when that's slid back in, you've got that lift up. It's got a little...
Ah, it lifts up. Oh, there you go. Just want to come round. So, we've got the pump there, a good spot there for the pump actually.
It's about 130 litres, something like that.
Oh, by the trained eye, is that what you're saying, Kev?
Yeah.
130 litres.
Well, thereabouts.
Okay. Back on there. Look at that. See how I did that by myself? Look, levitation.
Yes. Come here.
Well, it's not as easy as you think, was it?
It was still you mess with it. Go.
Right, so 130 litres you're saying, Kev?
Yeah, I reckon. Somewhere else.
It's actually, it's actually 90.
You get one.
Oh, so you'll get 130 in it. What's the waste?
About the same.
65. Suppose you'll get 130 in that as well, will you? What cupboards? Oh. Yeah. I've got a few spotlights.
Nice skylight.
That is nice. I like the
wind
surround. Okay.
I won't open it.
And then let's move along. Oh, that's dinky. Yeah, we've got there. We've got the gas taps down there.
Gas isolations.
Yeah. And what do we use the gas isolations for, Kev?
For process of elimination when we're testing stuff, and also if we've got a leak on the van anywhere, we can do a process of elimination. Turn one off, put another test on. Turn another one off, put another test on.
Process.
Yeah, process of elimination.
Okay. What we've got? Blinds, fly screens. There. Good prep area here, Kev.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
I like
Is there a lifty uppy thing there? No.
I like the triangular.
Fits it well, doesn't it?
Gives you more workspace.
Yeah.
Combined oven drill.
Yep. Fridge.
Three-way fridge.
And then, like you said, there's storage under here as well. Not much, but we've got a bit.
And before we open this, what do you reckon, Jay?
Oh, look at this, Kev. Hang on, look at this. Two handles. Oh, microwave there. Okay. And then, with the cupboard.
What do you reckon before we open it? Wet room or separate shower?
It's this bit thrown me here.
I'd say separate shower.
You're doing separate shower?
With that bit there, yeah.
I'll say combine then. Are you ready? Oh, you got it wrong, Kev. It's separate shower. Let's have a look in there. There we go. Nice little, it's like the sink.
Yeah. I like a separate shower.
I know you love a separate shower, don't you? And is that the best little light in the world?
Yeah.
I like that. Look. See that? Goes on and off. That's a good size, Kev, that is.
It's a good size shower.
Look at that. Look at that. That's a great size.
It's as good as an horse trail, wasn't it?
That's loads of room.
Oh. Yeah.
Right, let's go. And we've got the lights. Not much for this bed, Kev.
It's okay for me.
Yeah, it's a small bed, that is. So. Nice watching you struggle, Kev. It's not easy, my job, isn't it, is it? Oh my goodness, what we're going to there?
There's your makeup cushions for you.
Yeah.
There's your wall treater.
More makeup cushions there.
Yeah. There for the bed.
Yeah. That's confusing. Oh. And then underneath there we have the water heater.
Yep.
That's in a nice spot as well, Kev. I do like that spot. Yeah. How do we get this going? Hey, look at that. You put that down there. Oh, look at that. I'll have the surrounds as well.
Good size island bed.
Yeah, I've got TV aerial in there, and it looks like there's Wi-Fi as well for it.
And we've got separation.
Okay.
Yeah. That's a bit of privacy in the bedroom.
You got that. And then if you just want to put that back again, look at how easy is that?
Yeah, it's nice that.
Isn't it?
Good bed makeup.
Yeah, I do like that.
Gives you a good size changing area as well.
Yeah.
I mean, if you had the bed tipped up like that and you had this closed, you got a dressing room area.
Yeah, you have. That's a good shout. I like that. Kev, you thinking? Yeah, I do like that. Oh, another tally. Look at the size of that tally.
Is it not?
That's tech as well.
Is it not tech?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. So you're finding now the French bed, the island bed is really replacing the French bed.
Yeah.
Because you're limited with the French bed with it being on a
Yeah,
corner.
the awkward to make up. Single beds as well are very popular.
Single beds as well, but especially with these now, you don't have to climb over anybody just to get out of the bed.
No.
So there you have the Lunar, Kev. It's quite nice. I like the separation, you know.
Yeah.
You've got your dinette area, you've got your kitchen area, then you've got your bed area.
Very much like a Bailey. Would you say?
Yeah, I think I'd prefer this to a Bailey, wouldn't you?
Yeah, I think you would actually.
It's just got a nice feel about it, hasn't it? It feels like a motorhome, don't you think?
It's a motorhome.
It feels like one though, doesn't it?
Yeah, not a caravan dumped on a truck chassis.
No. Swivel seats as well, just noticed.
Yeah, too.
Make it out more.
So I like this area where you can walk through.
I like that,
Normally you have to squeeze through between the seats, don't you?
Yeah, it's got 5G Wi-Fi. It's got AdBlue as well. Fiamma door lock. God, you've got some good service this joint, this, Kev.
You do the control panel.
Oh, okay. Nice and simple. Really simple. I'm trying to think which ones these are off. We have the Swifts. Same type of one. Sergeant one.
Swift and the Auto Trail, isn't it?
Yes, Auto Trail, that's what I was thinking. And then we've got the Truma as well.
Yeah, the Swift's the longer one with your 2 dials in it, yeah.
Yeah.
Auto Trail.
Yeah, that was it, Auto Trail. So there you have the Lunar. Great for 2 people.
We discussed the price on it.
I'd say around about the 45s it's going to be. Like I say, it's only done 11,000 miles. It's got all the habitations done. Full service, 23, 24. So yeah.
Like we did say, you need a C1 licence. I should imagine you could.
I think this would you could downplay this.
I think it's been upplated.
Yeah, I do. So there you have the Lunar Cassini, whatever it is. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in another video.